Hello, nail art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of elegance with the gorgeous rose and white nail art combination. It's a classic look that never goes out of style. Before we begin, make sure you have all the supplies you will need, including your base coat, rose and white nail polish, a thin nail art brush, and some rhinestones for that extra touch of gloom. Apply a clear base coat to protect your nails and create a smooth canvas for your design. This will also help your nail polish longer. Paint your nails with the crisp white polish, allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Using a thin nail art brush, carefully create delicate roses on your nails. Start with the small dot in the center and add petal strokes around it. You can create as many roses as you like. Add some green leaves and stems to your roses for a more realistic look. Don't worry if it's not perfect, it is all about the charm. Bonus tip: to make your design pop and some rhinestones or stir to your nails, you can use nail glue to secure them in place. And there you have it, a stunning rose and white nail art combination that's perfect for any occasion. It's elegant, timeless, and sure to turn heads. Whether you are a nail enthusiast or a beginner, this tutorial will guide you through step by step achieving stunning timeless look for your nails. And make sure you like it all design and you choose one of the best design and create a best looks. So don't forget like and subscribe my channel for new updates. Watch until the end of for some bonus pro tips to make your nail art even more fabulous. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting nail art tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.